Okay, I'm grabbing my HH.
Northwestern Arkansas until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:24 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles west of Gentry, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Bella Vista, Gentry, Gravette, Decatur, Springtown, Hiawassee, Miller, Centerton, Fairmount, Cherokee City. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 92 and 93. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.